Fireworks display during the Lunar New Year, known as Tet, in Vietnam is a significant cultural tradition, marking the welcoming of a new year filled with luck and success. Every year, as the night of the Lunar New Year approaches, cities and villages across the country organize fireworks displays to create a festive and dazzling atmosphere. Prior to Tet, fireworks stalls emerge everywhere, attracting people to shop and select their favorite types of fireworks. On New Year's Eve, as the clock strikes midnight, families gather together, eagerly anticipating the sound of fireworks welcoming the new year. During the fireworks display, the sky lights up with vibrant colors and dazzling lights. The sound of explosions reverberates everywhere, bringing excitement and joy to everyone. The fireworks display during Tet is not only a traditional ritual but also a symbol of hope and good fortune for the coming year.